Hello guys, welcome to my Flask machine learning web-based tutorial. So in our past tutorial, I'm able to cover how we can create a machine learning chatbot using the Chatterbot framework. So now if I should say hi to this chatbot, you can see the response. So this is a machine learning chatbot, is learning based on the data set we have provided to the chatbot. Now we will have to migrate this chatbot to a web base so we can all chat with the chatbot online. The first thing I will have to do now, I will create a new Python file. I'll call this main.py. So once I have this, then I will have a new folder inside it called template. Now we have to deal with template. If you have been watching my videos, you understand what I mean by a template. So I'll call this folder template. So once I have this, now I'll create a Flask app project. I'll call this. So I need to import a render or a template function from Flask. So once I have this, so return render template index.html. So once I'm done with this, so I have to create a new HTML template. So I'll create a new file. I will save this as index.html. So we'll do some bootstrap design. So I will name this friend. So I'll go to Bootstrap website. So I'll go to Bootstrap website here. So I will click on alert. Getting started. So I can copy the CDNs that I will need. So I'll copy this CDN. I'll copy these guys. Copy this. I'll add them all. Once I add them all, then I need let me run my Flask app first. I'll navigate to the directory where I saved the project. So what's the name of the folder? Save the project. Class. Okay. I'm going to cd Flask web. I don't have it here. Just let me go to this directory. Okay, so I'll go to this directory on my command prompt. So once I have this, now I can run my Python, my backend, and my Python main.py. So let me just change the port of this because I have another Python app running on this port. So let me change the port. Cross to 5,002. So let me restart. Oh, this is supposed to be crossed. Okay, now okay, if we inspect this code now, this interface, we'll have all the CDN that we added to our head inside our HTML file, which means now Flask is rendering the HTML file. So we need two things. We need the placeholder for the user input and the chatbot response. So I'll go back to the Bootstrap website. So I'll look for alert. Alert will be okay for that. Okay, just let me click on component. We have alert. So let me copy basic things that I will need. So this is my HTML. So let me keep this div and give it a class container. So this will be centralized. So I'll paste these guys. So if we preview our template, let me reload. I can see we have all this. So I will choose this guy here and this. Which one? Let's go. This guy, and let's go for this. I think this guy. No, this guy is okay. So we'll go for these two guys. So I'll remove this. Oh, finally. Let's let me leave that alone. So once I have this, I should reload me. Oh, let's just leave this. So I have these two alert box. So the next thing I need the button and a form, a input. Okay, so let me see what we have. I'll come to forms. Oh, sorry. I'll come to forms. Okay, so I'll copy this code for form. So once I have this, then I'll remove all these unnecessary. So I'll save this. And now let me reload. Okay, we have this now wherever I can send message to our chatbot. So the next thing we have to do, I need to change this to text. So once I change this to text, I can change this to send. Send, and I can change this guy to web friend chatbot. And once I'm able to do that, I change this placeholder to talk to my friend. So now we should reload our page. Now we should have this. I just have to break this. So just let me keep this break. Distance. So now this is what we have here now. So one of these should represent the chatbot response, and this should represent the user response. Okay, this should represent the user response, and this should represent the chatbot response. So I will make this right here. Let me just give it a static content. It is not dynamic. I'll call this friend. Hello. And the user will be user. Okay, now we have this. So once we have this, we need to relate this with our Python file, with our backend. So link everything up together. So I'll give this input a name so that we can be able to call it from our backend. So I'll call this user underscore input. So once we have done this, so we'll go back to our former Python script we have done. So I will copy this name, I'll add it to this right here. So once we have that, and I will copy this like this. So now once we have all this, so I think we are good to go a bit. So we need to do something. We need to create a route that will be handling the request, the post request. So I'll create this at app.route/process. So this will be this will process the user input. I call this process. So then we need to have a variable called user input, just like the way we have it in our console-based application in the format tutorial. So have user input equals to request. So before I can do a request, I need to import request from Flask. So I'll say request. So once I have request imported, so I can say request dot form. Then the name of the name I give to my input field in my HTML file. So I have request.form underscore user input. So once I have this, let me just return the question user input for now. Let's see, user underscore input. So once we have this, now we can make a mistake. So once we have this, just let me give this page form. Let me just give it a route. So once we have this, we can come to our Flask app. Our HTML file to the action. So we'll pass the action to home. You can use URL for it. So and we can have method equals to post. So I'll go back to my main file. So I'll specify that I only pick methods. So we need to tell this route to only accept post request. Also method equals to post. And so we can only send post request here. So I made a mistake. So this place should be process, not home. So once we have this, then we can now continue working with our code. So let's test this out. So I'll open my browser now. Something's happened to my server. Okay, so we need to copy the former knowledge base we have for our chatbot. So it's creating an empty database already. So we need to copy the former knowledge base we have here, and this is the database. Since we are upgrading these chatbots to a web base, so to a cloud base. So now we have everything we were supposed to have here. So here now you can see, because this is in a loop to kind of. So I'll make this home. So if I say hi, now you can see the process is returning the request. So I need to do something. So if you have been following my tutorial, you can see how you can take in variables. There's different ways we can do this. we can just render the template back and pass it inside like this. There is different way you can take in variables into your route, then send the variable into your template. At the same time, you can just have this here like this instead of returning this, and then you will pass in. We will still come back to our code here. Then we'll copy this guy. So once we copy this, so all we have to do now, since we have a variable called this is the same code that we have in our former tutorial, but the difference is that one is a console base and this is the web base. So all we have to do now, I'll pass in this user input inside this boot response, and I'll pass in this inside our template. So all I have to do is this equals to this, then this is whatever you type. So, and whatever you type will be the one to reflect here. So all I have to do now is to pass in these. If you are not familiar with this, what I'm doing, this is Jinja 2. We use this to talk to the DOM. So once I have this, if I should save my app now, let me check if the server is restarted. Now the server is restarted. So if I should load, I should go back to /home. I say, you can see, I say hi. You can see the hi is displaying here. If I say hello. So now we need to get whatever we are sending from here to the bot so that the bot can give us the response here. So the next thing we will have to do, we need to pass in this response, bot response. Here, so all I have to do is to put response equals to put response. Once I have this now, if I should go back to /home, so I need to do something. So this is the name of the variable I'm passing inside my template. Make sure the name of the variable is the same as the one you are picking with your Jinja 2 template engine. So once you have done this, just come here, reload /home. So say hello to the bot. So you can see the bot is now replying to us, say how are you doing? You can say I'm good. Should give us something wrong because we didn't process. So I said loud. So I can say what's up. The bot say what's up. I can say what's up. Fine. Okay, is that okay? Okay, is that funny? Oh yes, it is funny. Oh, how did you learn that? How did you learn that? Oh, now you can see. Now if I say cool again, yes, is that funny? Oh, you are doing the wrong thing. You are doing the wrong thing. So this is the bot. You can learn how you can make this become some kind of professional and give it more features. This is just the basic, so you shouldn't expect this to work perfectly. And please, if you enjoyed this tutorial, subscribe to my channel and visit my website constantly. There is a tutorials working on it, so you can visit my website at codesideacademy.com. So Codeside Academy, I have covered the basic of Flask framework using Python, and I've worked on some more tutorials, and please subscribe for more tutorials and share this video, like, comment, and you can email me, send me a message at any time. I'll be here to help you out on your tutorials on any of your projects. So And please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification button. Thank you. And our little friend say bye bye to you. I know to give us wrong response. Alright, thank you all for subscribing, and for those who have been liking my page on Facebook, I really appreciate it too. So thank you and goodbye.